Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here at AFOL TV, we do LEGO YouTube tutorials and custom LEGO MOCs. Today, we're doing an overview of our LEGO Micro Barbados yacht. It's one of our most popular yachts that's for sale on our website, www.afolstore.com. When you purchase this, you get a set of instructions as well as a parts file. The parts file can be uploaded to bricklink.com for easy ordering of the exact parts and pieces you'll need. And instructions are available on our site as well on how to do that. This yacht was actually our third and final build for the Abaco class of micro yachts on our website. And you'll find the sister ship, which is White, also a popular download. The micro yacht measures just under 14 inches in length, and it is about 2.5 inches wide. The Barbados yacht features 3 different stories and a jacuzzi on the back, as well as space for your microfigs to hang out, navigational equipment up top, and an easy access back that's almost flat with the water surface. We hope you guys enjoy this, and let us know in the comments what you think. And that's it. We'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and consider subscribing if you don't already. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok as @afol.tv. And again, you can download instructions for our other builds and part files on our site, www.afolstore.com. And lastly, if you have any suggestions on what we should build next, leave them in the comments below. Thanks again, and see you next week.